In the world of programming, loops are essential tools that allow us to repeat a set of instructions multiple times. Imagine you want to print numbers from 1 to 100. Instead of writing 100 print statements, you can use a loop to automate this repetitive task. Loops help make code more efficient, concise, and easier to maintain. They are found in almost every programming language, from Python and JavaScript to C++ and Java. By understanding loops, you unlock the ability to handle repetitive processes, automate tasks, and solve complex problems with simple, elegant code. Let's dive deeper into how loops work and why they're so powerful in programming. There are several types of loops commonly used in programming, each with its own unique purpose. The most basic is the for loop, which repeats a block of code a specific number of times. For example, you might use a for loop to process every item in a list. Next is the while loop, which continues to execute as long as a certain condition is true. This is useful when you don't know in advance how many times you'll need to repeat the action. Finally, the do-while loop, found in some languages, guarantees that the code runs at least once before checking the condition. Understanding when to use each type of loop is key to writing effective, efficient programs. Let's see how loops work in practice. Suppose you want to sum all numbers from 1 to 10. With a for loop, you can iterate through each number, adding it to a running total. Or imagine you have a list of names and want to greet each person individually. A loop lets you process each name with just a few lines of code. Loops are also crucial for tasks like searching through data, automating repetitive actions, and building interactive programs. By mastering loops, you can write code that is not only shorter but also more powerful and adaptable to changing requirements.